Hey, good morning. Paul McMahon here with Forex Smart Trade. So glad you could join me this Thursday morning, April 30th, 2026, 6:30 in the morning. If you're here, you are interested in learning how to trade, and that's what we help people do. We've been doing it for 19 years. We do it by using our proprietary trading indicators. This morning, I'm going to show you one of our dozen different trade strategies. When we train someone, we customize a trade plan around your availability to trade and your risk preferences. And we are so confident that what we will teach you will make you profitable, that once we've trained you, we'll let you trade with our funds and split what you make. So it's a win-win. We make money when you make money. Our interests are aligned. So with that, let's get going and see what we've got this morning. Hold on a second. We got to start by listening to this guy.
Due to federal and state regulations, we are providing the following disclosure. Please stay tuned, as this will take less than a minute. Foreign exchange, futures, and cryptocurrency trading are highly risky, and you can lose all the money you invest should you decide to engage in live trading. We are not responsible for your investment, trading, or tax decisions. We are not licensed financial advisors, traders, accountants, stockbrokers, or attorneys. We are not licensed commodities brokers and do not engage in or facilitate commodities transactions. We are not an introducing broker, and we make no recommendation as to where you should invest or what broker you should trade with. As you apply what you learn, we recommend you seek advice from licensed professionals. Any trade results that we show should not be considered typical of our students. We do not and cannot track the results or performance of our students' private trading accounts. We do not know what a typical or average student earns or loses trading. This is not a get-rich-quick program, guaranteed system, or business opportunity. We sell training and trading tools. We make no promises our training or tools will generate future income for students, and you may not make your investment back, including your investment in this training. Any redistribution or recording of this material is strictly prohibited without advance written permission.
One of the ways we teach is we do these live trading sessions. Here is the schedule when I am around. In fact, I wasn't going to do the session this morning because as soon as we're done, I'm heading off to last day of college here for my son who's finishing up his freshman year at Clemson. So I'm going to get him moved out. So after this, I am heading up that way. But generally Tuesday and Thursday morning at 6:30. I've cut out. We used to do one Monday afternoon, but with the summertime, there's too much stuff going on, and generally that is a time that I am not available. The company does a live trade every morning at 9:30. If I am around in front of my computer at 10:30, I will go and check and see if there is see if there's a trade set up, and if there is, I'll send it to you. Every evening at a little after 4. I will also send out a trade. Last night we took 2 trades, both closed profitably. Generally, I'm around for that one. And then, if you become a member, we do live trades every morning at 10, every evening at 6. A couple ways you can get involved. If you want to start out slow, just sign up for our trade pattern alert program. Trade pattern alert, we send you out anywhere from 1 to 4 trades a day. You just copy them, and at the end of the month, you will have more than you had at the beginning of the month last year. They had an 85% return. That's $99. First month is guaranteed to try it. If you don't like it, you can get your money back. Got a little checklist I go through every morning. I check to make sure my green charts are refreshed. Every day when I am trading, I go back and take a look at the trades that didn't go my way. It's kind of like if you're a sports team, you go back and look at the film and see what you did wrong to try to make sure you don't repeat the same mistake. And those small incremental improvements help you get better. We are we are technical traders. We are trading based on the price action, and that's what our indicators are very good at, identifying the direction of a move. If we know the direction of the move, we can make some money. But news does impact currency prices, so we want to know what news events are happening. And I like to find out the news events by going to forexfactory.com. Forexfactory.com breaks news down into 3 components. Yellow, which is low impact, we ignore those. Orange, medium impact, I ignore these. But these red guys, these are guys I want to trade around. This morning, you see at 6, there was a bunch of news on the pound. More news right now as their Fed chairman speaks, talking about these notices. Europe has got some news this morning. Canada has some news this morning, and the dollar has a bunch of news this morning. Wow. And more Europe. That's not going to leave us very many things to trade with, but let's go ahead and take a look, because the euro is out, the dollar is out. The pound, the Canadian dollar is out. The pound, I guess, is okay because we're post news, or we'll be hitting post news. So we've got very limited things to trade this morning. So with that, the trade I'm going to do is something called the 10-point trade signal. I like to trade it off of a 1-hour chart. On a 1-hour chart, trades are going to be worth anywhere from 5 to 35 pips. I generally want to make at least 10 pips if I'm going to take a trade. You really only need a couple good trades a day to make some money. And we've got our 2 trades from last night. So I'm in the money today, so I don't need to trade. But if I see a good trade setup, we'll take it. So with that chart, I am trading off of something called the Light 6 Major. It's one of our standard charts. It is a composite chart where it's showing me 6 different currency pairs, all on a 1-hour time frame. This first chart is showing all US based pairs. I start with the middle section of the chart. There's 3 sections. We call this the majors and minors, TNTs, and the pressure. And basically the strategy is I want to have the majority of lines and all from each section going in one direction. When they do, I got a good trade. So I start with this middle section. If I see what I want, I go to the TNTs. And then if I see what I want, I go to the pressure. Red and green is our major indicator. Black and gray is our minor indicator. Horizontal blue line is the overbought line. Horizontal red line is the oversold line. So I'm looking for situations where these lines are oversold and going up. And then you can see how it goes up through the channel, and we got the green candles, or overbought and going down, and then it's going to run through the channel. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for lines are either overbought or oversold. If they're overbought, going down. If they're oversold, going up. So here we're overbought, going up, overbought, going up, overbought, going up, oversold, kind of going down, oversold, going down, oversold, going down. So nothing here. Let's go to the next group. I've cloned this chart. And euro pound, there's kind of 4 things I'm looking for. But again, the euro, let's just take a look. The euro's got news in a half an hour. I don't like to trade within a 2-hour window of this. So the pound, so we got the pound is okay because their news just happened, but the euro is coming up. I don't want to trade against this. But I'm looking for kind of 4 things. One, that we started out oversold, and you can see The green line here touched oversold. 2, all the lines are going up, which they are. 3, oh, they're not going up now. So we're going to pass on this guy. He's kind of fluttering. Oversold going down, overbought going up, oversold going down, oversold going down, oversold. We've got disagreement, and majors going down, minors going up. So nothing here. Wow. Canadian dollar yen. We've got news coming on the Canadian dollar. Oversold going down. Euro New Zealand dollar oversold kind of sideways. Pound New Zealand dollar oversold. Majors are going up, minors going down. I want them all going in the same direction. Pound or New Zealand dollar yen. Wow. Well, here's a case. This is a trade that I wouldn't normally take. We were oversold, and it direction flipped. Here you could have clearly made 10 pips. That's what is that? That's 70 pips. So there was some news there that wasn't that didn't show up on our news. The yen. Was there news on the yen? Why has that got such a big jump to it? Huh. No news on the yen, but when you see a big move like that, one of these things impacted that. Probably something on the pound. Gold dollar, overbought going up. Euro Swiss franc oversold going down. Australian dollar Canadian overbought. Minors going down, majors going up. Swiss franc yen oversold going down. So whatever's impacting the yen there caused that big move. Euro yen oversold going down. Pound Australian dollar sideways. New Zealand dollar Swiss franc disagreement. Canadian dollar Swiss franc sideways. Well, we got nothing this morning. Now I've got other trade strategies. Well, let's just take a look. I got another trade strategy. It's a little scalp trade. It's called the thick orange line trade, where it looks at the position of the thick orange line. Thick orange line is scaled. So when it's as low as it can go, this number is at 0. When it's as high as it can go, it's at 10. So you're looking for 0 or 10. This one is within 1 of 0. But I want, when I see that, then I want the red line to be below the horizontal red line, the red line on the majors to be below this. And it's not. So nothing here. Let's go back. So I'm looking for 0 or 10. I got nothing. This is kind of close, but we got news coming up on the yen, so I'm not going to trade it. Really, the only thing we've got is the pound and the yen, that and the Australian dollar. But the Australian dollar, it's the middle of the night, so we're not going to trade that on a short-term trade when it's not actively trading. And I know I'm going fast. So dollar yen. All right, so this is below, this is within 1 of 0, and the red line is way down here. If we didn't have news coming up on the dollar, I would take a 5 pip buy on this right when it when we've got less than 5 minutes right now. We got 14 minutes left in the hour. This is a trade that you take right at the top of the hour before the candles, before there's a new candle. But I'm not going to do that because we got news coming up. But this is a terrific setup. This would be a good setup. This is a good setup. But again, we've got news coming up. 9 is within 1 of 0, or within 1 of 10, and the red line is way above the blue line. Those are the two triggers that I'm looking for. All right, gang, I'm going to cut it short this morning because we've got so many news items, and we're either way overbought going in one direction or way oversold going in one direction, going in the opposite direction that we needed to. If you want to learn to trade, find somebody who's good at it, get them to teach you. Have a terrific day, and I'm not sure if I'll be back. I'm not sure if I'll be back by 4:15 tonight, working on the move out. If I am, we'll do a trade. If not, we will see you when we see you next. Again, you got any questions, just hop on my calendar, and we'll get them answered for you. All right, thanks so much. Bye-bye.